The Oral-B Genius X electric toothbrush, released in 2019, represents a significant advancement in oral care technology. This smart toothbrush uses artificial intelligence and motion sensors to track your brushing patterns and provide real-time feedback. However, many users experience issues with the position detection system, especially after firmware updates or extended use. The most common problems include position tracking freezing, inaccurate zone detection, and Bluetooth connectivity issues. Understanding how the position detection works helps in troubleshooting. The Genius X uses a 6-axis motion sensor that combines an accelerometer and gyroscope to detect brush movement and orientation. This data is processed by AI algorithms and transmitted via Bluetooth to your smartphone app. When position detection issues occur, there are 3 main reset methods you can try. Each method addresses different types of problems, from simple software glitches to more complex calibration issues. Method 1 is the soft reset. Turn off your toothbrush completely, then hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button, wait 30 seconds, then power on and reconnect to your app. This method resolves most temporary software issues. Method 2 is the factory reset. Hold both the power button and mode button simultaneously for 20 seconds. The LED should flash multiple times, indicating the reset is complete. Then repair your toothbrush with the smartphone app. Method 3 uses the app-based reset. Open your Oral-B app, navigate to Settings, then My Toothbrush. Select Reset Position Detection and follow the calibration prompts. This method is ideal for fine-tuning sensor accuracy without losing other settings. These 3 reset methods address the majority of position detection issues with the Oral-B Genius X. Start with the soft reset for minor problems. Use the factory reset for persistent issues, and try the app-based reset for calibration fine-tuning. For persistent position detection issues, the first critical step is ensuring your Oral-B Genius X has adequate power. The toothbrush must be charged to at least 80% for optimal sensor performance. Next, clear your Oral-B app's cache to resolve data conflicts. This removes temporary files that may interfere with position detection algorithms. Perform sensor calibration by conducting a full 2-minute brushing session with your smartphone positioned within 3 feet of the toothbrush. This allows the AI algorithms to relearn your brushing patterns. Environmental factors significantly impact performance. Ensure stable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals, maintain your phone battery above 20%, and minimize interference from other Bluetooth devices. Statistics reveal that 68% of position detection issues stem from 3 main causes. Improper initial setup accounts for 32%, Bluetooth connectivity problems for 24%, and sensor calibration drift for 12%. Dental professionals emphasize that while position detection technology is helpful, it should supplement, not replace, proper brushing technique. Focus on thorough cleaning of all tooth surfaces, regardless of sensor feedback. To maintain reliable position detection throughout your device's lifespan, establish a regular maintenance routine. Recalibrate sensors monthly, keep the app updated, and perform weekly connectivity checks for optimal performance.